What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Back in the shop again today. You might hear some banging going on. My shop has got a big acorn tree right over top of it, and the acorns keep falling down just like that. So today, working on a spice rack. This is actually a thing for us, so apparently we need a spice rack, is what I'm being told. So my orders were to build a spice rack, so I'm building a spice rack. So I've been whittling on this thing here. It's a piece of walnut I just cut out from some 1x6s I had laying around. Now I gotta make the body, cut all that stuff out, design it, because I don't even know what I'm doing yet. All I know is this is gonna be on the front of it. So I'm gonna get to whittling on the sides, build the frame. All right, so I got this beautiful piece of walnut here. I got all milled up, ran it through the joiner and through the planer, sanded it up to 120. Now I'm going to make the frame. This is going to be one of the sides. This is just the bottom half of it. So this is kind of the design I am going for. I'm going to cut out right here, this side of it. Have that design left in the center. And I did that using some high technology paint and stain cans, so you know it's going to look great. All right, chitlins, you can kind of start to see the design here. I got those all cut out on the bandsaw. I need to sand them. I'm getting ready to cut out the side pieces for the joinery to put them together. Get here and here, here. And that way they will fit together good. Then I got to decide what I'm going to do for the top. Not real sure yet. Alright, so I got the joints cut, so they fit in there nice. Nothing's glued together, screwed together, nothing yet. I haven't decided exactly how I'm going to do that. You can kind of see the layout here. Still trying to figure out what to do with that top. So I decided to go with just like a rooftop style top. This little design piece down here on the bottom. It's still needs sanded and everything. Everything's still got to be sanded pretty much. But it's just, I mean, I've pretty much got it all built. Thinking about maybe writing something on top, like home or spices or maybe something like that. I'm not sure. But I'm going to sand everything. Then I'm going to use this OG bit on it. Router some stuff. Make it look a little fancier. Coming together though. So this is what we're working with so far. I decided to go ahead and put some curves on the top, give it an OG side, and then the bottom piece has still got to sand everything on it, burn marks out, same way on the router, OG sides on both sides and the middle pieces. And then pretty much ready for some kind of a lacquer, polyurethane, something, just some kind of finish. But it's a one-day build. All right, so I got the top all finished. I got everything kind of glued and nailed together. I got the fences on there, got them all held down. And then on like the nail holes up here, I put one nail in each side. And then I took and made it's like a paste out of walnut sawdust and glue mixed together, and then put it down there. It fills in the hole where you can't see the hole where the nail goes. And really, I got pretty much everything sanded. I gotta sand those off to make those smooth. I gotta sand those down. And then when I get that done, I just pretty much need some kind of sealer, which I'll be using probably like a polyurethane. Something simple like that, but just about got it all wrapped up. I think it looks good. I like it. It's quiet in here today. Let's see what Kevin's doing. He's usually making all kinds of noise. What are you doing, Kevin? You sick? What's your problem, dude? Huh? Shut up, Kevin! Got you all riled up now, don't I? Shouldn't have went out there. He won't stop now. Non-stop. Shut up, Kevin! Work it in here! That taught him. No, it didn't. Shut up, Kevin! Between him and the dang acorns falling on my building, about to drive you nuts in here. All day. All day. Alright, so I'm going to use this clear gloss polyurethane. This is a spray can kind. I've only used it a couple times, but on these small projects like this, it's kind of nice. So, here we go. Let us spray. And it'll probably take a couple coats. But this spray will get down in them grooves a little bit better than if I was, say, painting it. Get this thing sprayed, I'll show you the finished product. Hard to beat that grain on walnut. Just a pretty wood. All right, boys and girls, she's all done. So, there it is. I might put one more coat of polyurethane on it, but I think it looks pretty good. I might not. There it is. So, one of the shorter projects I've done in a while. I hope that she will like it. I think it'll really help. The one time a month that she cooks, her spices will be ready. I'm gonna get in trouble for that one. I can guarantee it. But thanks for watching. Keep up with the adventures of Kevin and Kyle. Like always, I'd appreciate it if you share, like, comment this video if y'all like watching this stuff. So the last video we did, last time I looked, it was only on there for like 12 hours and had like 1,200 views. So it's growing a little bit all the time. Pretty pumped. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned. I'll be doing another video here in a little bit. I'm not sure what that's going to be yet, but on to the next one.